Hi guys, how are you all? Today I will show you how to copy text from image using Google Photos. I hope this tutorial will helpful for you because sometimes we need to copy the text from image file as well. So whenever you will do such a things, then you have a very easy option, very easy tips and tricks for you that I will show in front of you today. So let's check it out. And before starting my tutorial, I will request you please subscribe my channel if already subscribed. Thanks a lot. Let's check it out. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfur Rahman, the digital expert. At first, you have to go to the mobile screen. You are watching on the mobile screen on my laptop. You need to open the Google Photos. If you don't install this, you have to install it because it is very useful for your storing photos or managing photos as well. So if don't install, please try to install. To go to the Play Store and then write down here Google Photos. Yes, we will click here. As I have installed this, then I need not to install these photos again, so I click just open. Then here you can see your massive image file here, but you have to need to download a piece of image file by which you can copy the text from this file. As I have installed earlier my image photos, I mean image text photos. Now I will click it. Yes, this is the page of a book that I have installed in my Google Photos for copying the text from it. And follow this tutorial. Then you have to go to the lens. You have to go to the lens, click the lens and click the text. This is the text. You have to click it, text. Yes, now click the select all. Now copy the text. Yes, copy it. Now close it, and now you have to open your diary or notepad of your phone from your phone. Now I will do this. Yes, now I will open my notebook, my notes. This is the color note. Now plus, now add text. Now tap for some time for coming up the paste button. Yes, paste button has come up. Now click the paste, and wow, this is the magic. This is the magic of the Google Photos. Whole text have been copied from the image file, and now you can watch or see that every single part of the text have come here. And very easy and simple tricks. If you want to copy the text from a image file, then you can follow this and you can do this. There is no problem here. Just open the Google Photos, go to the lens, select the text, copy the text and paste to your notepad or note diary from the uh, of your mobile phone. This is very simple and easy. I hope this tutorial will be very helpful for you, for those who are finding a easy way to copy the text from a image file as well. So again, I am requesting you, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and already subscribed, thanks a lot. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.loot11.com. Thanks.